Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today is Sunday. We're doing live help from 12 to 4 p.m. It's just $80 per session, and we can help with all of your problems, project planning, take a look at what you're trying to do and help you understand what is needed to solve that problem. I can help you understand about tree roots, whether or not they're going to be a problem, crawl space, basement walls, exterior, interior waterproofing, all the problems that you face and need the answers. Sign up online. Live help today, 12 to 4 p.m.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.